You don't have to go to such great lengths to go and catch a lunch, but I'm feeling a little bit jungle-ish today, so why not? And I'm using some beautiful products from the Caribbean. Viking. The taste of the Caribbean, absolutely delicious. It's one of my favorite hot sauces. I'm also going to use today the green onion seasoning, which is full of fragrant Caribbean herbs and spices, and I'm also going to use this nice garlic sauce with addition to some other of my own spices. Now for the marinade. Garlic. Don't be shy with the garlic. Ginger. Some wonderful Viking garlic sauce. Viking green onion sauce. And some wonderful, beautiful, delicious, hot, blazing hot sauce, also from Viking. I like mine damn hot, so I'm going to whack it right up there, folks. Give that a mix. Oh, the aromas. I can really taste. I can smell, and being a chef, you know the taste. I can really smell and taste the flavors of the Caribbean here. Oh, wonderful. We have a little wow. Oh, wonderful, folks. Absolutely fantastic. Just let that sit for a while before I marinate my chicken. Turn it over. Just let that sit for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Right, so pierce through your skin, just like so. Slide it down and through the other side like that to form a skewer. Now, to be on the safe side, use a citrus fruit wood. Then you know you're not using poisonous wood. I'm using the wood from a mango tree. Okay? Right. I'm going to leave that to set for about 15 minutes. Thanks for checking out my cooking channel, folks. Look at that. Cooked on a mango wood, which gives it a very mild smoke flavour, and the taste with these two beautiful Caribbean sauces are absolutely divine. Sorry for talking with my mouth full. It's a lot. Thanks for checking out my cooking channel. Don't forget to check out my social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thanks for watching, folks. Bon appetit.